I don't know. It's probably Scud.
Here, you can see it on my screen.
Oh yeah, it's definitely the storm. 100%. Too bad the terrain is awful through here. RFB's wrapping around.
Yeah, that's what I'm good.
Oh, what's that?
What?
What? The other one? The severe warn.
Yeah. Did you see the one to the south on radar?
Yeah, it's starting to look nice.
Look at it right now.
We're gonna have to make some sort of decision.
That one's coming right at us to the south. Like it would go right over us.
Well, we
maybe
have to
right
solve
behind
the-
us.
It looks pretty good. Structural.
Yeah, it's going up.
Nothing's really immediate right now.
I think it's gonna try to get going again.
That was definitely one tornado.
At least one, yeah.
That other one
More
was
CG.
definitely a flow.
CG's picking up on this one.
I think the base is lowered again right there.
You've got a new crisp updraft.
This one.
I think
we can
this
go
one.
further south down the road.
Why do we want to go south?
Yeah.
I mean, like, I'm literally just talking like a few, like, just to get these trees, you know? I'm talking just go like 100 yards down.
Oh yeah, it's gonna do it again. You can already see it visually ramping up again.
This one is also southwest of this one, so this one, we can, if this one dies, we can just
Easily, so definitely.
Is that one?
What lens do I want to put on?
I'm gonna get Lima.
What?
I'm gonna go Lima right now.
What?
I'm gonna go Lima right now. Lights to use.
I know. I feel like I should go on the 20 wavelength.
Take a structure shot.
Yeah.
What does that do?
I know, that's what I'm saying. I think it's gonna do it.
Again, no. Some Scud or something.
We're gonna go right at it.
That was a CG like right out of the walk.
Oh, it's rotating. Yeah. See the scud flying?
Yeah. Oh! Tornado.
Yeah, tornado.
Oh,
Tornado.
in 2 miles, take exit 46 for Illinois.
That's a
100
tornado.
toward Bluffs, Detroit.
Alright, go faster, Billy.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, it's rapidly, but it's.
There was stuff flying up from the ground.
Oh, was there?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
A little bit like foam.
Okay. It's really rapid in there.
Sorry.
Take exit 46.
Maybe a tornado.
Then turn right onto Illinois 100 North.
You said it was a tour already, no?
Well, it might be in like again.
Oh. Please
There's
chase
a bunch of chasers here.
So it's probably.
Oh, that's a tornado. That's a tornado.
Stop up here.
Definite tornado on the ground.
Look at the vortice. Look at the vortice. Want to move?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get around these guys.
Yeah. There's a hill up here.
Okay.
Up, see? Let's go. Get on that. Wow.
It's still down.
Wow. Oh yeah.
Can you try to do a little...
Oh yeah, still dancing in there. What do you think? Get around these trees here and I'll stop.
I mean, we could just keep following it.
It's about to drop again. Close the door, close the door.
I think you're gonna be in my shot, but I don't think you care. Where were we?
Crazy. Near Griggsville. It was where the tornado was.
How do you, is it G-R-I-G-S?
Griggs, yeah.
GGS?
Yes. That might do it again right there. I didn't think we were gonna get a cichlid beast.
Oh yeah, that's something from.
Fuck
It
that.
fell apart. I'm gonna. Wow, this is nice wide open here. Okay, it's right. Yeah, we can see it now. We have visual.
It's crossing right in front of us. You gotta be careful.
There's no tornado. We have a visual on it, so we can. I'm not scared of it. Wow.
Ow. That's it.
Yeah, we can get up on it now, right?
Holy cow, look at random.
Yep.
Do we want to get in front of this thing?
No, we're gonna like let it pass in front of us and then go behind it.
It's moving north-northeast, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're okay right here.
We're
but
good right
We're
here.
not gonna go much further until we stop. When we get past these trees, I'm gonna stop. Maybe not even.
No, past the trees.
Should be good.
It's starting to ramp up now visually. Yeah, it looks even better than yeah.
No.
Okay, turn it down.
Definitely don't want to go too far.
But we can see it, so I'm not afraid. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna keep following. Yeah, it's not like right in the center.
It's definitely
Billy.
rising.
Yeah, it's sucking.
Oh fuck, this is a mud road. Alright, let me take this.
This is a bad idea.
This is gonzo chasing.
Well, it's going away from us, so I don't really care that much. We're gonna get off it here. It's gonna, we have an option here. Yeah, we know it's gonna do it.
Hopefully you'll still see it. Well, we're right here, man. So, fuck.
Fucking
Shit
rain.
box is fucking. It's a big. It's like a cone, something in there.
This is big.
Hell yeah.
Yeah,
Take this
that's-
shit right north. Look at that.
It's about to go.
See it on camera?
I'm gonna get
Big bowl. Come on, you little bastard.
Alright, we need to make up for what we missed.
Nice and sculpted if we can get out in front of it. Just gotta be careful with cars. I have no clue. Oh!
It's not gonna wedge, obviously. It's definitely fat.
Let's see what I can do here. It's pretty big.
Oh my god, large tornado.
Yeah, it's still on the ground. Some condensed.
Did you see that? It was like all the way down.
Well, yeah, I saw it for a
Yeah.
second. Like it's dancing.
Oh yeah, it's down. Where are these from getting to my house?
One by Peoria is still chugging up. It's not down.
I'm thinking,
It's still damn near capable of producing another one.
Wait, what did Sam just say? Okay. Sorry, dude, I gotta look at shit here. I gotta look at maps. I was hoping we'd see power flashes.
I don't think it traversed through anything. It's pretty empty out here. But it is going towards Peoria. The storm is headed
That's a big ass mezzo.
directly
Can you
towards
believe it's after dark in December in Illinois and we're still chasing tornadoes?
5 o'clock, and yeah. It should last for like probably another 30 minutes to an hour. The environment.
Wow, that's a big mezzo. What do the roads look like? Okay, we can just see there's a good grid, so we don't have to worry about
Good
it.
grid.